Welcome back everyone. So we were moving forward into the functions series of string in Python programming. Let's see another two functions that is important functions in string in Python. So that is a replace and count. So what is this replace and count going to do for us? So replace function is going to replace the character for us within the string, and count function is going to give you the count of the letter whatever do you have within the string. Okay, so let's just quickly create a string s which is going to include a string. Well, let's say hello Python programming. Okay, let's say I have a string this. I just want to replace out my e with, let's say, a. Okay, let's print out properly our string. Okay, that's how we receive the normal string, right? And now I just want to remove out my e. Now e I need to replace out with s dot replace. You can see here IDE is already suggesting for us replace, right? We can use it out. Now what do you want to replace out? Okay, you want to replace out e with, let's say, just for sake of example, e you want to replace out with, let's say, l a. Okay, now if I'm just trying to run, you can see here wherever the e would be there, it's been replaced out with a, and e we are having only in hello, right? So this is how you can perform out a replace function. Else I just want to calculate that how many times l occurs, okay, into my program. Let's calculate out o is occurring 3 times in every word, right? Let's just calculate it out. I'll use my s string with count function. You can see here many functions are there on string. You can use a count function. So that's why whatever the IDE you are using out, that is also a very important part. I mean, that plays a very important part into coding. Okay, so that gives you the hint, the suggestions. Okay, I just want to calculate out my o character. Let's just run the program, and you can see here we just got the count of o as 3 times. O is reflecting in hello Python and programming, right? So these are the two functions, replace and count, which is going to give you one replacement of characters within the string, and count is going to give you the count of letter within the string. So yeah, thank you.